Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be showing you how to clean a Quade DE filter. First thing we're going to do is turn off all the power to the pumps. I've got two pumps, the main pull pump and the booster pump for the pool cleaner. So make sure everything's off. Next we're going to open up the air bleed valve. That's to relieve any air pressure in the filter. You must do that before you open up the clamp. Once the clamp is off, you can remove the top half of the filter. Comes off pretty easily, and that's what it looks like. Going to take off the rubber ring that's between the top and the bottom of the filter. Keep that safe. Next we're going to drain the filter. You don't have to. I always do when I do a complete clean. The drain plug is at the bottom of the filter, not easy to get to, and you may be able to do it with just your hand. If not, you may need pliers. Shouldn't be too tight, and then just a couple of turns and then you can do it with your hand. Next we're going to take the manifold off. You may have to jiggle it a little bit to take it off. The manifold has a air bleed screen in the middle. You don't want to lose that. Keep that safe. You will need it. Once the manifold is off, you can take out the grids, all four of them. We're going to clean the filter elements using a watering hose. All you got to do is just spray it, make sure the DE has been washed out and any dirt that's been built up. It's pretty straightforward, won't take long. Don't forget to clean the manifold and the screen that sits in the center of the manifold. Once everything's clean, you're ready to put everything back together. First the filter elements. Doesn't matter which end goes down, it's all the same, so it makes it really easy. Don't forget the rubber gasket that sits between the two halves of the filter. It is recommended that you lube the ring before you install it. Going to put the drain plug back in. I'm going to hand tighten it. There's no need to overdo it. With the air bleed valve open, we're going to restart the pump. The pool pump is sucking in the water and filling up the filter. The water should come out the filter anytime soon, and then we'll close the valve. The most important part of the job is to recharge the filter elements with DE. You're going to put the right amount of DE based on your filter. And what I do is make a slurry in a bucket of water first before I pour it into the skimmer. If you're enjoying watching the video, please consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. Always leave a comment and a like. Tell me what you like, what you didn't like, and we'll try and improve it. Thanks a lot. Finally, check the pressure on the filter and check the pump to make sure there isn't any air in the system. If there was, then you'll see bubbles in your pump. That looks good to me. I don't see any air bubbles. Once again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.